Hey, what's up? So I just got a package in. I don't know who it's from. Let's see what it is. All right, let's see what this is. I see the name on it, but I don't recognize the name. And let's see what we got. Maybe it's from TikTok Shop. I don't know. It's pretty big though. I didn't order anything that big. I didn't know. Let's see. I got it like this because I don't want to reveal my address, on the camera. I hope you're having a great day, by the way. I'm super pumped. Oh, I know what this is now. I know what this is. Amazing. Phenomenal. Oh, I know what this is. Snap. We got some great gear. Holy moly, for Reckless Soul. Woo, we got some Reckless Soul gear. Shouts out to Reckless Soul. This hat is already phenomenal. Look at that. Holy majoli. Look at this. Look how good this looks. Ooh, low country comfort. That Reckless Soul right there. LC in the back for low country. Oh, that's beautiful right there. Look at that, man. Check this out. Unboxing right here live. I didn't even know this was coming today, but we're about to do this. We're doing this. Okay, so now we got also the Reckless Soul. Oh, look at that. This is the back of the Reckless Soul shirt. Look at that. Oh, snap. So look at that right there. Yes, that looks great. Oh, that's the back. And then we got the front right here with the Reckless Soul. Amazing merch, man. Amazing merch. Shouts out to Reckless Soul. Oh my God. All right, look at this one right here. Snap. Reckless Soul with the Reckless Soul on the front right here. Absolutely phenomenal. Oh, we about to do some amazing things. Okay. And then we got this one here. Oh, this is shaped like the Marlboro logo a little bit. Reckless Soul with the horns. Oh man, this is awesome. Awesome. And then, the story about Reckless Soul is it's for people who found themselves in a low place at one point in life and that have decided to transform the quality of their life experience. But they still live free. Although they have changed their life for the better, they still live free. And that's me. I started off at a very low place in life, pulled myself up. Ooh, look at that. Pull myself up. And that's why I'm proud to talk about this brand right here, because it represents what I'm all about, which is it doesn't matter where you start at. It's all about where you finish. And look at the hat. Oh my God, look at that. That is beautiful. Ooh, listen, this hat is out. Look at the details in that hat. I don't know if it's me, but I've never seen a hat that looks like that. This is phenomenal. Oh my God. All right, this is awesome. Jesus. Oh man, this is good right here. I'm in the zone right now. This right here has me. Oh, this one is awesome too. You can wear this one. Wear this one with a nice little polo shirt. I like to bend my bib a little bit like that. This is amazing. Shouts out to Reckless Soul, man. Website coming soon, but you can definitely go ahead and start checking out their merch by clicking the link in the bio here. Reckless Soul. Oh, this is one of my favorites right here because I wear a lot of black and it's already got the bent bib right there. It feels like every single one of these are already fit for my head, which is interesting. The low country right there. This is absolutely phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. Like, check this out. Look at that. Wow, this is awesome. Okay, I don't even know which one I like the best now. Ooh. This one right here. This could be my all. And again, oh yeah, the way this one looks on me, the way this one fits right now, superb. Okay. Reckless Soul. This is awesome. Thank you. Look at this. Ooh, check that out. All right. So another one. Oh, snaps. This one is good too. That is awesome. Look at that. Ooh, Reckless Soul, man. I love it. Oh my God, hats for days. This one right here is not, honestly, every single one of these is my style. This is me. Okay, this right here, man, you can wear this one with a nice cool polo shirt, with that silky material. That nice cool polo shirt with the stripes or the little, man, this Reckless Soul. Check it out. Oh man. Ooh. ain't never seen nothing like that. I have never seen nothing like that. I've never seen the way this feels right here. Listen, I've never seen nothing like this one. This one right here, this is very, very unique. Very unique. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This one, you can wear this one frontwards or backwards, right? Oh man. Oh man. You know, I have a hat head. You know, I have a head that's made perfectly. This one right here. Holy cow. Holy cow. This one reminds me of like Mountain Dew or something. Yeah, this one reminds me of Mountain Dew or something. But I love that. It looks fun. It reminds me, I don't know why, but it reminds me of like springtime, but it also can look good for the holidays, for Christmas as well. You know, you wear that with like a nice red shirt or a white shirt or a green shirt or even a gray shirt, some nice jeans, nice boots. You know, this one is really, really good. Oh, is this one right here? Oh my God. This right here. This one might, hold up. Oh, geez. This one might be my favorite one. This one might be my favorite one. Hold on. If I put, where's that other shirt at? I think it's this one. Oh, this with this? You couldn't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Reckless Soul. Oh my God. This brand right here, let me tell you, I know the owners, and this brand right here, this brand is for anybody that started here, pulled themselves up, but still remain free. This is what Reckless Soul is all about. I mean, it's untamed. This brand, this is amazing. And I'm not saying this because they sent this to me. Literally, these hats are very good quality. And I haven't seen anything like these designs here, especially like that one right there. Man, just it's phenomenal. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna put one of them on. I think I'm gonna put on, let's see. Yeah, this one right. I like this one right here with what I have on. Oh, snaps. Jeez, look at that. Look at that. What? Hello. Hey. Reckless Soul. Man, this hat right here is golden. Okay. Oh my God. I can't wait. Wait to check out the new website. I can't wait. I'm excited. Let's do this thing. All right. Check out Reckless Soul. Click the link in the bio. And let me, you got to see. Now I'm wearing some real preppy stuff today, but look, check this out. Reckless Soul, man. This is awesome. Y'all got to get it. Check it out. Reckless Soul. Check it out. Link in the bio.